That was a good job, everybody. I'm going to be distracted by the music because this is actually the first time listening to this on my computer. I listened to it in the car for like 4 months. Well, not 4 months. I don't know how long. For like the past couple of months. And then I finally made CDs. So now I'll be set for car music for several more months. And then the one I was listening to in the car, and I can now listen to on my computer. That was hilariously funny. And now I have to do 2 more homework problems, and I can barely do problem 6. Hopefully it'll be easier. Dang it! Come on. It took me forever to do 6. I don't know if I even did it right. Because I love how our textbook is terrible. Our textbook is terrible. Good job. Maybe this will be better. Hey, I think this will be fine. This might be fine. This could be fine. This looks very similar to something from the book, so maybe I'll be fine. It's going to take forever to get to the end of this. That didn't take long. So probability of x equals 0 is this, probability of x equals 1 is this. Yeah, they already have it there. They already have all the information. It's like they did half the problem for me already. Nice. Very good. That was fun. Probability that x is less than or equal to 2. Just give me the example. Now, they didn't really do the example here. Oh, they did do the example, because here, look. Oh, come on, where is it? They have an example, I know they do. Where is it? I literally remember reading, like, what's the probability of like...
Part A. So that, yeah, like, I don't even really need to read this because, I mean, this is kind of a simpler problem. I thought they gave an example though, didn't they? Didn't they give a freaking example? Come on. That's right. I thought they gave an example of that. They showed how to do mean. They showed how to do square deviations, variance, standard deviation. They didn't show how to do what's the probability of getting I don't know. I'm pretty sure, like, probability of x is less than or equal to 2. I mean, all you have to do is add. Dude, this is so simple. This is not even what I'm thinking it is. Like, the probability that is less than 2, or less than or equal to 2, is just add these. The probability that x is less than or equal to 2 is just the sum of these. It's either equal to or less than 2, so it's these three. What's wrong? Hate this. Man, this is annoying. Part B. Probability that x is more than 1. Are you kidding me? Okay, so it's more than 1, and it's less than or equal to 3. So it's either 2 or 3. That's literally it. Oh my gosh. It's more than 1, and it's less than or equal to 3, so it's either 3 or 2. That's it. Equals this plus this. Save. The probability that x is more than 0, so equals the sum. More than 0 is all these options. Save. I didn't even need to do any math for that one. I could. Probability that. Oh. What does the line mean? Oh, seriously? They don't explain that in the book. This is crap. Wait, maybe they do. Does the line mean or? I don't remember even. X is more than 3, X is more than 2. I mean, the only possibility probably is that they're saying it's. Or no, maybe it's given that X is more than 2. Probability of this given this. I think that's what the line means. I think that the line means given this. Probability of A given B. What is the probability of this given this? So if x is more than or equal to 2, or if x is more than 2, what's the probability that it's... probability of A and B so first of all, it's going to be the probability that X is more than 3. What is the probability? Undo exit. Probability of A. The proposition A is that X is more than 3. So X is more than 3. So that means it's only that if X is more than 3, that means it's equal to 4. That's the only option available. Seriously. The probability that X is more than 3 is 0.1. So, and the probability of B, the probability that X is more than 2 equals some, what's the probability that it's more than 2? There's 2 options here, so you got those 2, and the probability of A and B is, you multiply those together, right? The probability of wait, this is crap. This is not right. This makes no sense. Maybe that only works if they're mutually exclusive. Or... Wait, why am I stupid? Why am I stupid? Why am I stupid, dude? I'm stupid. I'm stupid. More than 3, more than 2. I mean, they're not mutually exclusive. This is stupid. I'm being stupid and stupid and stupid. If both A and B are true, that means it's just more than 3. That's it. Where's the probability that X is more than 2? I don't know how to do the line. Oh, wait. There's a line here. Oh. So you do this, divide by this. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? 0.25. So given the fact that x is more than 2, the only two options are this and this. And if it's more than 3, it's 1. So this is 1/4 of the... the total is 4.4. This is 1/4 of it. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Please tell me it's right. Now it just feels wrong to not make these highlighted. EX. What is the expected value of x? The way to do that is to die in a hole. I mean, where is it? Dude, where's the stinking thing? Okay, so I think isn't the same thing as mean? No, it's not. Wait. The mean is also called the expected value. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? So the way they do that is you do sum product, these two columns, the probabilities and the results. You sum product those two columns. That should give you the result, the answer. So this should be equals sum product array 1, comma, this. So there, I think that's good. Sum product, those two things there. And that should give you the average. Weighted average. Save. I mean, these are just additions and stuff, but like... So that's it. That's that. The expected result is 2.1. There's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the weighted average of this, and it's 2.1. So there you go, everybody. Kill myself. Now, part F is variance and standard deviation. Okay, so there's a shortcut. We can use a shortcut. How do you find variance? It's very simple. Not really, but just copy this. It's like sum product. Okay, so think about it. Think about this. So the results squared. The results squared. Probability. You only do that one once, apparently. So basically do the results, comma, the results, comma, the probabilities. in the parentheses. So some product, so this is going to be complicated, of course. Some product the results of either 0 through 4 probabilities parenthesis and then you do minus the mean squared minus this caret 2 there. That is it. The sum product of those things minus the mean squared. I did it right. Probability minus the mean squared. Please. .29 and standard deviation is just simply square root of variance. So SQRT square root the square root of variance. So there you go. I think we're done with that question already. It only took me 23 minutes. I really hope she gives feedback because either post a video of the solutions or give feedback on this assignment because I feel like I could be doing something wrong, at least on the last question. I feel like pretty confident on this question, but still. So that's part F. Is that the entire question? Yes. Hey, wait a minute. Standard deviation. Oh, they had you do both var x and standard deviation of x. So technically, according to the question, the variance is not part of the answer. So therefore, oh crap. Okay. Okay, so we're done with number 8. We just have number 9. Please be simple. Please be simple. This one was very simple, so please have another simple. Please just be simple. Please. No. This one was so simple. What does it say? Okay, there's only part A, B, and C. Hey, look, it looks like it's very simple as well. Thank God. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so glad they do a bunch of the work for you. Because, like, half the work is just writing all this stuff out. So, a study has shown... Yeah, this looks so simple. This looks like very similar to 8. Alright, well, but we have to interpret this in terms of the conceptual stuff. Because probability, the number of customers in line is... Wait, why is it in fractions? That shouldn't be... Wait, I'm such an idiot. It's either 0 through 4. What is the probability that they will not have to wait behind anybody? So the number X represents the number of customers who are in line, including the one being served. Wait, what? So the number of customers in line, the number of customers in the line, including the one being served, it does not include the new customer arriving there. So you arrive, there's 0. That means you won't have to wait behind anybody. Probability that X is equal to 0. The probability that X is 0 is 0.25. Simple. So incredibly simple. Whoops. And then, what is the probability that X is more than or equal to 1? They literally give you the way to do it. At least 1, if not more. So the probability that X is either equal to 1 or more than 1. So it's all of these possibilities. Equals the sum. It's either equal to 1 or more than 1. So it's all of these options here. So there you go. Save. That's so easy. This is so easy. Let's go. I didn't think I would even be able to finish this homework today. But I guess I am going to. Let's go. This is easy. I just may have done that one question wrong. Okay, so part C. It's just the mean. They're just asking about the mean. On average, they will have to wait behind how many other customers. Here's how you calculate the mean. Sum product, and then you do just double checking. All you have to do is sum product this times this. Boom. Stop. So this comma this. It doesn't even matter what order. Just do it. This, comma, this. It's a product. They don't care which one you do. The product doesn't matter if you do this times this or this times this. It literally doesn't care. Math doesn't care the order that you multiply things. So the average amount of customers you'd have to wait behind is 1.65. Man, that's easy. Please tell me I did that right. My God, that was easy. That was so easy. Stop. Seriously? That's it? That's literally all we have to do. Okay, well, that was way easier than I thought. This didn't take long at all. I just had trouble with question number 6. Hopefully I did that right, I don't know. Oh my gosh. I seriously am done? Okay. Lesson 2.1 problems. Oh no. Okay, so I think that's all 3 problems. I will open them all up just to be sure. Man, I'm afraid about 6. But can I be bothered to... I have the filter on. Let's just get rid of the filter. It shouldn't affect any of my answers anyways. Man, I'm so surprised how she didn't give us that many problems to do here. Wow, we did it. Stop.